Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and welcome students. Hope you all are well. Student, today now I will end this chapter and this is the last topic of our chapter, which is greenhouse effect. Okay, burning fuels such as oil, gas, coal or wood releases carbon dioxide gas into the atmosphere. Plants use carbon dioxide to make their food. So when trees are cut down, the amount of carbon dioxide in the air increases. Okay, students, we know this thing that plants make their food with the help of sunlight, carbon dioxide, water, and chloro in the presence of chlorophyll they make food. They take carbon dioxide from the air, automatically they use carbon dioxide. So when we cut those trees and when we cut plants, so the amount of carbon dioxide which is taking by the plants, it will increase, because when there will be no plants and trees, then no carbon dioxide will use, and we increase the amount of carbon dioxide by burning fuels which are coming from the factories. So the amount of carbon dioxide, it is increasing in the air. When this amount of carbon dioxide increase, now what will happen? This carbon dioxide traps the heat from the sun and stops it from escaping into space. So extra heat, it will not easily escape, it will not easily release into the space. So now our earth will become hot. Okay, so this earth will become hot and it is called greenhouse effect. Okay, this effect is called greenhouse effect. So when the sun rays enter the earth's atmosphere, which is made up of several layers of gases, and reach the planet earth, the earth's surface, land, water and biosphere absorb the solar energy. Once absorbed, this energy gets recycled into the atmosphere. But when this carbon dioxide increasing, okay, this when this carbon dioxide amount of carbon dioxide will increase, then it will absorb and it will trap all the heat. So due to this heat, our earth will become hot. This is called greenhouse effect. If the Earth atmosphere becomes much warmer, the ice caps at the poles will begin to melt. The melted ice will cause the level of the seas to rise, which could cause serious floods in low-lying towns, cities and fields. If the seas become warmer, sea animals and plants will be affected. In other parts of the world, a lack of rain will make the land too dry and dusty for any living things to survive. Poisonous gases and chemicals from factories, chimneys dissolve in rainwater and fall as acid rain. This rain damages crops and destroys trees and stone buildings. When acid rain falls in rivers and lakes, it harms the fish and plants living in the water. So these all are the effects of greenhouse. Okay, so student, this the gases these gases are known as greenhouse gases. Okay, the gases like water vapor, carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, methane and ozone, which are present in the atmosphere, trap energy from the sun and prevent the heat from escaping back into the scape. Though some of the energy passes back into space, most of it remains trapped in the atmosphere, which causes the earth to heat up. These gases are known as greenhouse gases, and this natural process of maintaining the earth's average temperature and keeping the earth warm is known as greenhouse effect. Okay, so this greenhouse effect is due to pollution. Okay, because we are adding more and more harmful gases into the air. Okay, so these harmful gases trap the heat from the sun, and due to this heat our earth will become hot, and this is called greenhouse effect. Okay students, now now by listening these video you can clearly understand the pollution, types of pollution. Now you can easily solve the related exercise. Okay students, thank you.